Hello educators, Mr. Brown here. I am driving back from a school, Burnt Ranch in Burnt Ranch, California. And I just want to let you know, look, I would love to come to your school too. And you might be thinking, well, our school's too small, we can't afford it. Well, Burnt Ranch is very small. Last year they had 60-some kids in their school, K through 8. I spoke. This year they got a whopping 92 kids. But you know what? Those 92 kids that matter to me, and I'm grateful for our partnership. We also did professional development into the day and encouraged the teachers and just had a great time. I'm making a video with their testimonies, but I just wanted to reach out to you teachers. If you've been showing my videos to your kids, if they enjoy that, I think they would enjoy an assembly. Time to just be in person, and I would love to do it. So visit thechoosewellprogram.com, send us a message, and we would love to figure out how we can bring the Mr. Brown, some kids call it a show. It's not really a show, but it's interactive. It's not just lecturing. It is very interactive, assembly. And then what I really like to do is after the assembly, to spend the rest of the day at your school doing small groups. Today I got to go to each grade because they do combine. So we did a TKK visit. We did a 1st, 2nd grade, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, 6th, and 7th, 8th group. And I had fun. Even got to hang out at recess, throw the football around. After school, did a professional development, then got to go in the gym and play some basketball with some kids. Had a great time at Burnt Ranch. And listen, it doesn't matter how small or big you are. I would love to come to your school because I believe this: the message changes lives. When you make better choices, you live a better life. So choose well. And hey, bring me out to your school. Check the link in the description or just visit thechoosewellprogram.com, and I would love to see you in your school. Oh yeah.